good too. Yes, sir. Ooh, it sounded good. I can hear more because I got the 4.5 inch tips. It's idling. I don't know what it's doing, or it's crackling and popping. I guess because I don't know, man. It just sounds a lot better. Dang, look at everybody at Popeyes though. God, can't get nothing around here, man. Black people don't play around with the chicken. Goodness, they don't play around. Don't play around. About to give it the bangs, y'all. About to give it the bangs when I drink turn. You guys see it? Let me turn back. Mexico. I am in Mexico. Yes, sir. Mexico. Go fast in Mexico. Let me give it another one. I'm gonna do a 60 roll. Oh yeah, let me stop real quick. Let's see if this works. So I've been watching YouTube, y'all, and what I've been seeing from the YouTube is that the only way you can turn off traction is by turning off your car and turning it back on. I hope I don't get no nail driving back here. It look like a nail type area. I just do. It look like it got nails, all type of nails and thorn bushes and stuff. I'm driving somewhere in this place. I've never seen this place. Hey, slow down, man. I'm trying to give it the bang bangs. Alright, so what you're supposed to do? Because everybody knows, on the CHRYSLER 300, if you can't like hold it to take the traction off. All it does is the sport traction control, which like lets it loose for a little bit, and sometimes it kicks in. So just turn it on to press off. So I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna turn it on. Hopefully I can get this. Turn it on and off at the same time. So I'm pressing for, and then it still doesn't. Oh! So that's how you turn it off completely. So I'm putting it in sport. So let me see. I'm gonna try to give it the bangs. So I turn it off. So it's off completely. I didn't know that. So now I know, bro. I saw it on somebody's YouTube. Shout out to them. I'm gonna see if I can find them, because I was watching it when I was on my lunch break at work. And I subscribed to him, but I gotta make sure I go watch his stuff too. He's another CHRYSLER 300. He has a V6, but he has some crazy stuff on it too. I think he's Arabic. I don't want to be, rude or anything. I think he's Arabic or Indian. I don't know how you would say it. I'm trying to be respectful as possible. Just trying to get his right nationality. But what it is, he showed me how to do it, and shout out to you, dude. So let's see if it works. Yeah, everything is on. Oh, snap. Almost lost control. Black Beauty. Oh my God, that scared me. My heart. I saw my life. I saw my body go into the ditch that was back there. I saw my life go into the Mexican ditch. That's what I saw. Nobody's gonna find me. And then, yeah, I saw all that. I envisioned it, and I saw it. Whoa, my traction control is I ain't got no Hellcat, so I can do it. Ooh, look at that big old dually, man. Yes, sir. I want a dually. I want a big old pickup truck. I don't know what I want. I'm gonna get something. Let's see. I gave it the ooh, hey. Why he gonna jump in front of me like at the last minute? Like, I don't know why people do that, but y'all, it's been a crazy week. Like I've been saying, bro. I hope y'all like this video and stuff like that. So that is something that I found out. I can turn off traction control to the 300. I wish somebody would have told me this earlier, man. I love it. Ooh, too hard. I ain't want to do that. I'm just trying to push. I forgot I have it. I got that on, man. You already know what that is, the roar pedal. That roar pedal is something mean, bro. When you got it on, you know. When you have it off, you definitely know. Like, it's a huge difference. I feel like without it, my car is the regular, and I feel like with it, I feel like I got like 450 horsepower. I feel like it, you know. And if it made me feel like that, get it. Of course, I'm gonna fill up at Shell. I try to put just Shell gas in this or all premium high. Let me see. Oh my Lord, that's just 349. Lord have mercy. I might put that mid-grade in there. But I already put premium in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fill it up with premium. It's only halfway full. Halfway full, and I got 100 miles. That's because I've been pushing it like a mug. That's what I've been doing, pushing the mess out this thing. Hey. Oh, I see a yellow Charger too. Oh, I love the colorful Chargers. This car definitely gonna be some type of color. Like I said, when I bought her, I didn't want black, but black was cool with me because I wanted it. You know, because I know I can get a raffle, I can do something cool with it. But I love the black car though, don't get me wrong. Let me show y'all this yellow chain. Which side is the gas on again? It's on the left side, right? Oh, he took it, sucker. I was trying to show y'all everything. I was trying to show y'all the yellow Charger. Y'all see it, man. That's one of the Chargers that made me fall in love with the Charger. No, actually, I think it was on Fast 5 or something like that. Whatever one with Paul Walker and Vin Diesel, they robbed the bank and they had them Chargers pulling the safe. That's what made me fall in love with the Dodge Charger. Dude, that movie inspired me big time. I was like, I need it. I need it. Dodge Charger, I need it. Let me see. If I turn it off, okay. I'm guessing it will be stabilized when you turn it back on. So let me go ahead and get some gas for it. All right, so let's see how much it is to fill Black Beauty up halfway, since it is halfway full. Give me my card. I get the middle one. So of course you gotta get that V power, or you can get 89. Depends on how you feeling. Right now I'm feeling good. Majority of the time I do put that one in. If I'm running low on money, I'll put that plus. All right, so let's go ahead. But I would never, I know when I got the car I put regular in it, they said I could, but in the book it shows that it is recommended for plus or mid-grade, which is 89. So get 89 or get that. You can, I think, I don't know if it runs different. I can't really tell. I'm gonna be honest, people say they can tell if they run 93 or they can run 89. I can't tell the difference. Cause I don't really race my car like that. That's the only reason why I just drive it, and I have fun with it. Of course, I press on it hard, you know, and stuff like that. I have fun with it, but I can't really tell what is going on. Something going on. Hope everybody's safe, man. Hope everybody's safe. But yeah, she was a 7. I think it's a 17-gallon tank. If you get a 300 or a charge or whatever you get. Yes, sir. I'm gonna turn it on without the CHRYSLER. I see you, dog. I see you, man. Oh. Got a copyright music on. That's my song too. So what was it? 11. God, copyright music. I'm gonna be louder like a mug because y'all see it's 38.54. That's 11. So dang, it's pretty much almost 20. All right, so I'm about to do it. Foot on the brake. You press traction control and that. And keep it off. What does it do? It's off! I love it. I need to turn my lights on. Oh, yeah. Right. Look at this lady. Big dirty tires though. Alright, Grizzly Gang, I'll see y'all on the next one. It's probably dark as a mud. Let me see. It's probably dark as a mud. I hope y'all can see me, man. You know, the dark skin brothers, we need a little bit of extra light. But I hope y'all see y'all on the next one, man. I know I started off the video, I was just really tired. I got off work and I was just like, let me record. I was like, I gotta record for my Grizzly Gang, man. I can't, I gotta be, this is for y'all, Grizzly Gang. Y'all definitely are my biggest supporters. Y'all help me through just keep on recording this stuff. I see your comments, I see what y'all put. Y'all say keep going, bro, keep doing this, don't do this, do that, do this. Hey man, all of that negative and positive, because mostly positive on my channel. I appreciate everybody that's keeping it positive. It's all positive, all love, man. I appreciate y'all. I can't say it like no more because it's like I'm the type of person, I appreciate things. I appreciate the little things. It doesn't take really that much to make me happy because I grew up having more, sometimes more than most, and then one day it was gone. So I appreciate those things, and I'm the only boy, so I'm spoiled, but I also had to wait for things too. So yeah, so I learned a lot, you know, as a kid. So I appreciate the little things, and I work hard for things that I want, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm working hard for me. I'm working hard for you guys, to show y'all what y'all can do with your 300 or your Mopar, whatever you have, or whatever car that you have. You can definitely mod any type of car that you have. I'm not just team Mopar. Yes, I love Mopar, but I love all type of cars. Like I always say in my videos, I love cars, bro. Cars is something that I always love. I had about thousands of Hot Wheels growing up, and I used to drive around like, oh, that's my car, that's my car. No, I ain't got no type of sense of nothing, dollar bill to my name as a kid. Oh, that's my car, oh, that's my car. And I'm finally up to an age where I have something that I really like, and that's my CHRYSLER 300, and I stand by it, and I'm always gonna love this thing, man. This is how I started my channel, and can't wait to see what the future holds, y'all. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace, Grizzly Gang. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because we coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day from now on, because this week of work is past. Peace.